In this next topic, another Cybertruck production has been spotted, and this time this is more inventory that we've seen in a while or at ever. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Sawyer and Joe. Joe, I believe, flies a lot of drones over Giga Austin, and we can see that there are 9 vehicles, 9, we can assume Tesla vehicles outside the Giga Austin, Texas factory that are all covered up. I think Joe's being a little bit facetious here, saying, can anyone help me identify what these vehicles are? All 9 are covered up, and it's really hard to tell. They are outbound transportation lots at Giga, Texas. You can see there's a ton of vehicles right here. We can assume that these are all Cybertrucks. I mean, actually, we can confirm that these are because they've all got the same silhouette, the same styling of a Tesla Cybertruck. So it seems like Tesla Cybertrucks are going to be ramping up, and production is coming in the near future. On top of that, here's another picture. You can see there's way more vehicles on whatever section this is, all also covered up as well, all behind a fence. We don't really have too much of a clearer shot of this one, but maybe is this Model Y, Model 3 Highland? Who knows at the end of the day? But let me know what your thoughts on it. Let me know what you're thinking. We're going to jump into the next topic. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link, where you can get access to the ultimate Tesla buying guide out there with all the best interest rates for financing your Tesla. So definitely check it out. Patreon link down below.